Question number 17. A square piece of tin of side 18 cm is to be made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner and folding up the flaps to form the box. But should be the side of the square to be cut off so that the volume of the box is the maximum possible. A, B, C, D is a square and X, X, X and X. Let X centimeter be the side of the four squares cut off from each corner. Length is equal to total 18. Length is equal to 18 minus 2x breadth is equal to 18 minus 2x and height is equal to x centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Let V be the volume of open box. V is equal to L into B into H. 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into H is x. Then V is equal to 18 minus 2x raised to power 2 into x. It's equation number first, and we are differentiating equation first with respect to x. Differentiating first with respect to x, we get dv upon dx is equal to first function as it is 18 minus 2x raised to power 2 as it is into ddx of x plus x as it is ddx of 18 minus 2x raised to power 2. dv upon dx is equal to 18 minus 2x raised to power 2 into derivative of x is equal to 1 plus x as it is and derivative of 18 minus 2x square, that is 2 into 18 minus 2x, differentiation of power 2 into 18 minus 2x raised to power 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1 into ddx of 18 minus 2x. Differentiation of 18 is 0, derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. dv upon dx is equal to 18 minus 2x raised to power 2 and minus 2 multiplied by 2, that is minus 4 into x minus 4x and 18 minus 2x. dv upon dx is equal to, we are taking common 18 minus 2x. 18 minus 2x taking common in bracket, that is 18 minus 2x 1 power and minus 4x. So dv upon dx is equal to 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 6x minus 4x minus 2x is equal to minus 6x, and put dv upon dx is equal to 0. 18 minus 2x is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 18 and x is equal to 18 upon 2 is, then x is equal to 9. And 18 minus 6x is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 divided by 6, that is 3, and x is equal to 3. Once again differentiation, d square v upon dx square is equal to, first function as it is, 18 minus 2x as it is, into differentiation of second is minus 6, and plus 18 minus 6x as it is, differentiation of 18 minus 2x, that is minus 2. d square v upon dx square equal to 18 6 are 108 minus 6 2 are 12x and minus 36 plus 12x. Double derivative d square v upon dx square is equal to minus 144 plus 24x. So that the volume of the box is maximum, double derivative will be negative. X is equal to 9. When we put x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 here, then this will be 0. X is equal to 9, rejected. X is equal to 3. Double derivative d square v upon dx square is equal to minus 144 into 24 multiplied by 3. This implies double derivative d square v upon dx square is equal to is minus 144 and plus 72, that is negative 72. It gives minus 72 negative d square v upon dx square is equal to negative, then it gives a point of maxima. So maximum value at x is equal to 3. Answer. Let x be the side of 4 squares cut off from each corner. Length is 18 minus 2x, breadth is 18 minus 2x, and height is x. So volume of the box is equal to, let V be the volume of box and V is equal to L into B into H. L is 18 minus 2x, V is 18 minus 2x, and height H is equal to x. So 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x, it can be write 18 minus 2x square, and height, that is x. So we are differentiating equation first with respect to x. dv upon dx equal to first function as it is, derivative of second, derivative of x plus second function as it is, and derivative of first. 18 minus 2x square as it is, and differentiation of x we get 1 plus x as it is, differentiation of 18 minus 2x square, that is in power 2 into 18 minus 2x raised to power 1 into ddx of 18 minus 2x. And we know that differentiation of constant number, that will be 0, and derivative of minus 2x is minus 2. And dv upon dx is equal to 18 minus 2x square 2 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 4 into x minus 4x, that is minus 4x into 18 minus 2x in bracket. And we are taking common 18 minus 2x, and in bracket 18 minus 2x 1 power minus 4x, and 18 minus 2x minus 4x minus 2x, that will be minus 6x, and 18 minus 6x. We are putting dv upon dx is equal to 0, and we find the points. 18 minus 2x is 0, means 2x equal to 18, and x is equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9. We are putting the value of x equal to 9 in volume B, then this will be 0, so x is equal to 9 is rejected. And second point, that is 18 minus 6x equal to 0. 6x is equal to 18, means x is equal to 18 upon 6, and 3 6 are 18, so another point of x equal to 3. And once again differentiating with respect to x, double derivative, first function as it is, derivative of second, that is 18 minus 6x, constant, differentiation of constant number is 0, and minus 6x, that will be minus 6, and 18 minus 6x as it is, second function as it is, derivative of first, differentiation of 18 is 0, differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2, and 18 multiplied by minus 6, that is minus 108, 6 2s are 12x, minus minus plus, minus 2 18s are minus 36, and minus minus plus 12x, 12x plus 12x, that is 24x, minus 36 minus 108 is minus 144. Double derivative is equal to minus 144 into 24 into 3, x is equal to 3, 24 3s are 72, and minus 144 plus 72, that is negative minus 72, and it gives negative value. So double derivative equal to negative, then it gives a point of maxima, and maximum value of x is equal to 3. Answer. Thank you so much.